Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kay, and today I would like to show you my new to me LV bag purchase. So let's get started. And this Louis Vuitton bag I purchased as a vintage condition. So when I first bought that bag, the condition is not so good, so I sent the bag to the bag spa and they change and clean the bag, everything. And so I will show you the before condition of the bag. So let's see. So I just want to quickly show you the before condition of the bag. So here it is. It is so cute and so tiny. So cute, and look at the size compared to my palm. And as you can see, it's not in its best condition, and the zipper pull has tear off here, but the zipper runs smooth. This is the piece of zipper pull that got torn off. Inside is in good condition, but as you can see, these leather tabs are very dry and hard, and there are discolorations on the handles and also discoloration here. But the canvas is in good condition. There are no tears or breaks in the canvas. So I'm going to send this baby to the bag spa today, and I will show you after I got from the spa. So let's see how much it has changed. So after waiting for a while, I got a phone call from the bag spa today, and they said I can come and pick up the bag and it is ready for me. So I went and picked up the bag, and I will show you the new condition of the bag. So let's see. Ta-da-da-da! It looks very brand new to me, of course, because I changed the handles and all the vachetta parts of the bag, because previously it's very dry, hard, and the color is very darkened. So I showed to the bag spa and I want to change, and the good thing is they have attached the new leather tab here, because when I first got it, the leather pull here has torn off, and now I got a new one. And look at the condition of the bag, you guys. It's so cute and pretty. Here is on the top of my palm, and you see how tiny it is. So I have been watching videos about the Louis Vuitton new Nano Speedy, and I really want that bag, but it's very hard to get, and the resale price is unbelievable. So I don't know, I'm not sure if I want to pay that much amount of money for a small bag, not a small, a tiny bag. So I go through the vintage market and I find a good deal, and I really love the deal that I had when I got this bag. So even after I repaired the handles and everything, the total cost doesn't compare to the original price of the Nano Speedy. So I'm very satisfied with my bag. So this is how it looks like compared to my body, and I can hold it like this. It's so cute. And I will show you with the orange chain. So this is a short chain. It's only 85 centimeters, so it's good for the handheld. Like, you can hold it like this, hold it like this, nice. And I also have a longer chain, gold chain, that I purchased online a while ago. Oops, sorry. So this is the gold chain. So if I want to wear this bag as a shoulder bag, this is how it looks, or crossbody. Yeah, it's so cute. So let's take a look at the closer view of the bag so you can see the detail work. I think they did a pretty good job. Yeah. And the canvas is in pretty good condition, so I don't need to worry about the canvas. And this is the inside of the bag, and this is the original tab, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, and this is the serial number of the bag. One thing I like about sending the bag to the spa is not only my bag is clean and furnished, but it also smells so good. So it doesn't have any funky smells, or like that kind of smells the vintage bag have. It doesn't have any of those smells anymore because it is cleaned and smells so good. Yeah. So to give you an idea of how small this bag is, so this is the power bank, and as you can see the size compared to the power bank, it's really a tiny size, but it can fit a lot. So I will show you, for example, this is the current bag that I'm using, my Fendi Toujours bag. I got it 4 or 5 years ago, and it's my very first Fendi bag, and I really love it. So I'm using that bag now. So first I will put in my card holder, and then my money pouch, and hand gel and the wet wipes, mint and lip balm, and the essential shopping bag. I hope it fits. I'm going to tighten up a little bit. Oops, doesn't fit, but if I take out the lip balm and my mints, I can fit it in here. It's so cute. And compared to my phone, because my phone is using to film it, so I have the case, and this is the iPhone 11. So I don't think it will fit with the casing, but if I remove the casing, I think the phone will fit. But normally I just hold my phone on the hand, so it doesn't matter to me whether it fits my phone or not. So yeah. So when you're going out on a date or a night out, you don't need that much. Like I filled, you don't need that much when you're going out on a date or a date night. So you can probably fit a card holder and a lipstick, a compact, and that's it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy my video, and if you have any questions, please comment down below, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye.